Okay, guys, I'm going to attempt to sing Demi Lovato's Nightingale. So I hope I do this correctly. Yep. I can't sleep tonight. I'm wide awake and so confused. Everything's in line, but I'm bruised. I need a voice to echo. I need a light to take me home. I kinda need a hero. Is it you? I never see the forest for the trees. I could really use your melody. Baby, I'm a little blind. I think it's time for you to find me. Can you be my nightingale? Sing to me, I know you're there. You can be my sanity, bring me peace, sing me to sleep. Say you'll be my nightingale. Somebody speak to me, 'cause I'm not feeling well. Need you to answer me. I'm overwhelmed. I need a voice to echo. I need a light to take me home. I need a star to follow. I don't know. I never see the forest for the trees. I could really use your melody. Baby, I'm a little blind. I think it's time for you to find me. Can you be my nightingale? Sing to me, I know you're there. You can be my sanity, bring me peace, sing me to sleep. Say you'll be my nightingale. I don't know what I'd do without you. Your words are like a whisper come through. As long as you're here with me tonight, I'm good. Can you be my nightingale? Feel so close, I know you're there. Oh, nightingale, sing to me, I know you're there. 'Cause baby, you're my sanity, you bring me peace, sing me to sleep. Say you'll be my nightingale. It's the end of the song. Yay! I actually not own that song, which I did own that song, but Demi Lovato obviously owns the rights to that song, so I'm gonna say that so I don't get sued by that. And special thanks to who did this CD? Who did this? Thanks to Demi Lavato DD, capital DD, capital LOVATO, capital KARAOKE 2013. That is DD the Lavato Karaoke 2013. Thank you so much for that karaoke instrumental of Nightingale. So if you guys liked it,